Have you ever wondered how some business owners manage to keep their wealth and assets safe even when things go wrong? Whether it's a legal dispute, a business failure, or unexpected debts, there are smart and legal ways to protect what's yours. Let's get into it, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make protecting your business simple. Today we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood but crucial for business owners and entrepreneurs in the UK, and that is using trusts and companies for asset protection. If you've ever worried about safeguarding what you've worked hard to build, whether that's property, investments, or even your business itself, then this video is for you. First off, why should asset protection even be on your radar? Well, simply put, asset protection is about legal structuring your affairs to shield your personal wealth and business assets from potential risks like creditors, lawsuits, or business failure. And when you're starting and running a business in the UK, combining the right use of companies and trusts can be one of the most powerful ways to achieve this. Let's start with companies. Incorporating a company at Companies House creates a separate legal entity. This means the company itself owns its assets and liabilities, not you personally. The separation limits your personal liability. Usually your risk is limited to the money that you invested in the company's shares. It's why so many business owners in the UK choose to operate through a limited company rather than as a sole trader or partnership. Plus, companies benefit from corporation tax rules, which can sometimes be more tax efficient than personal taxation. And there are additional perks like easier access to business finance, VAT registration options, and clearer compliance frameworks. But here's where trusts come into play. A trust is a legal arrangement where a trustee holds and manages assets on behalf of beneficiaries. Trusts are often used in estate planning, but they can also be an effective tool for protecting assets from creditors or business risks. For example, if you hold a property or shares in a trust rather than directly in your name, those assets can be shielded from personal bankruptcy or legal claims against you. Combining trusts with companies can provide layered protection. Imagine you set up a limited company to run your business and then place the shares of that company in a trust. The trustee manages the shares for the benefit of you and your family, but technically the shares aren't yours personally. So, if you face personal financial trouble, the company shares and the business itself can be insulated from those risks. Now, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Setting up trusts and companies requires careful planning, legal advice, and a clear understanding of compliance. For instance, trusts have specific tax implications. You might encounter inheritance tax or capital gains tax, and you'll need to register certain trusts with HMRC. Likewise, company directors have ongoing responsibilities like filing annual accounts and corporation statements with Companies House, managing corporation tax returns, and ensuring VAT compliance if you're VAT registered. So this is where Your Company Formations really comes in handy. We don't just help you to set up your limited company quickly and correctly, we also provide guidance on the best structure to meet your goals, including considerations around asset protection. Our expert team ensures your company is registered accurately with Companies House, compliant with UK laws from day one, and that you understand the ongoing obligations involved. We're here to make sure you get the right setup that protects your assets while keeping you fully compliant, giving you peace of mind to focus on growing your business. If you want to explore this further or need any help setting up a structure that works for you, check out the link in the description to get started with Your Company Formations. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on running your UK business smartly, safely, and successfully. Thanks for watching.